Hey you guys, and welcome on back to my channel. Today I am going to show you an affordable and easy to do protective style. I'm going to start off with some crochet hair. This is just a brand that was on sale in my local beauty supply store. Some braiding hair as well. If you have thicker hair, you can opt out of this, but I just like the added bulk, the thickness of the braid. A rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb, some duck bill clips. I really never even ended up using the clips, but I had them anyway, as well as some brushes. And yeah, I'm going to start off with a deep side part in my hair, and I'm going to end up using some organic root stimulator holding pudding as well toward the end. Right here I'm just showing you the texture of the braiding hair that I have. So what I'm going to do is I am going to part my hair from the end of my deep side part all the way across to my ear. And then I'm just going to separate the hair, holding what I just parted and keeping it in the front, and then pushing the rest of the hair toward the back because we're going to make a ponytail with that later. Alright, now that you have your hair separated from the front to the back, you're going to make another part next to your deep side part. This is going to be so that you can take your braiding hair and incorporate it into a braid that you're going to make to go across the side of your face. So I took about a little less than half, but more than a quarter of the braiding hair and just kind of split it. And then I'm going to start with my own hair, and I'm gonna braid probably about I'd say a good 4 or 5 braids before I add in the braiding hair. For me, this is just a little bit easier to like kind of feed in the braiding hair into my own hair when I already have my hair already established into a pretty solid like cornrow or French braid. So you'll see what I do. So once you've added in your braiding hair, you're just going to braid all the way down until you have a braid that comes probably, if you're short like me, to your like armpit or longer, but basically just braid all the way down to the end. So now I'm going to add my organic root stimulator holding pudding. I'm going to just put that in my hair because this is the thing that best holds my hair. My hair does not like anything to really be in it. It likes to be product free. But basically I'm just going to smooth my hair all the way to the back, make a ponytail, and then split that ponytail in half. After I split it in half, I'm going to braid each side and then make a bun. This way my ends are protected and my hair is protected and moisturized, but it'll be something that can stay like secure. So a bun is the best for me. Splitting it in half made it, and braiding it made it as small as possible because my hair is pretty thick. Now you're going to take your scrunchie and your crochet hair. Y'all, I could not get this crochet hair out of this pack to save my life. Like, it was like glued in there, it seemed like. But basically, here's a quick shot of the crochet hair fresh out the pack, and then one single strand. I ended up cutting one strand in half to make two, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your rubber band, hair tie, scrunchie, or whatever, and you're just going to loop the crochet hair through itself onto the scrunchie, and you'll see that mine ended up being a fail at first because I broke the scrunchie, so don't be like me. But basically just loop the hair onto the hair tie so that it makes a knot. We used to make like little knots like these all the time when we were kids. Just do it like that all the way around the scrunchie. I used every single strand of hair, of crochet hair, and put it on the scrunchie. So after you have your desired thickness on your scrunchie, you're going to plop the crochet haired scrunchie on your bun. Now I did not double mine up because I get migraines really easily and I don't want anything too tight on the back of my head. But you can adjust it if you don't like you can see in the back where my hairs are kind of shorter. You can move it around and manipulate it. For now, I'm just going to loosen up the curls by separating them and fluffing them so that they can really and fully cover the bun in the back of my head. So that's what I'm going to do now. After that, you're going to take your braid and you're just going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail and then just tuck the ends. You can wrap it around however many times you need to, and then just tuck the ends in so that they blend in seamlessly. So it just looks like your braid is like flowing into your ponytail. You can kind of get a glimpse of it right there. Right now I'm just cutting and shaping the hair so that it looks more natural. Hair is like naturally layered, so I just want to make sure that my ponytail looks as cohesive and natural as possible. So just tailoring it to however you want your ponytail to look. I like mine to be a little bit shorter, but if you want yours longer, you can, you know, make the necessary adjustments. Here I'm just adding some more of that holding pudding. This is the equivalent of me slicking down my edges. My edges are pretty rebellious and they do not like to be slicked or laid or anything. So this is the only product that will even remotely make them lay down. After that, I'm just going to put on my scarf just to let everything kind of mold and set, and then I'll show you once again the finished result.